Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gracefully Tori, and I am excited to host you. This is a bonus video in celebration of 100 subbies. Yay! And in this video, I will share a few easy steps on how to walk in heels, something I know we all sometimes struggle with. My first point will most definitely have to be that you have to get up and start. You'll never know how good you can get until you actually try. Secondly, start with a shoe that has a thick or a chunky heel that will give you the support and comfort you need to rock those heels. So you've got your heels on and now you're ready to strut. Always walk heel to toe. Heel first to the ground and then your toes. Doing it the other way around is just weird and will be very uncomfortable. While walking in a straight line, try crossing your legs one in front of the other. Keep doing this until you're comfortable. And here I'm just showing off a turn I learned from modeling school many years ago. Once you've gotten into the swing of things, you guessed it, it's time to upgrade to a higher set of heels. Be patient with yourself and practice your walking all over again. One thing you should try and do is to ensure your weight is evenly distributed amongst your legs, especially while standing. This will help you balance and kill any chance of you wobbling over and falling. If you're anything like me, then you love your heels super high. And once you've gotten your balance and you've mastered your walk, then it's time to take it up a notch higher. Ooh, these are stunning. My heart is smiling. A word of advice from me is practice, practice. Wear your heels while doing your chores, while dancing, so you're comfortable in them at home before you leave the house. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is how I practice in a new set of heels before I leave the house in them. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you rock those heels. I'm so grateful for 100 subbies, and I can't wait to conquer the world with all of you. Don't forget to subscribe.